Good afternoon and welcome to my presentation on ThingLink, a tool we use to teach nurses critical thinking skills in acute situations. ThingLink is a Finnish-American company that uses media to be used in education. And the basic concept is that you use media and then can overlay your own media applications in a presentation. That sounds rather abstract, but I'll try and explain how it works with this particular example that we're looking at the moment. Now, here's a little bit of context for you. We teach our third year nursing students how to cope with acute and critical situations, and in this particular situation there's a patient with an acute allergic reaction. However, the students are not aware of that when they start on this assignment. What they basically do is they study the text, so they study the notes that they've made during the online lesson, and then what they do is they go into groups and they get this link for this ThingLink, and then they can actually assess the patient in a very safe manner, obviously it being a practice scenario, and they can come to a conclusion. So I'll just show you there's a certain way that we look at patients in terms of critical illness, and we assess what the priorities are. And if I can begin with, for example, the airway. The students can actually hear what the patient would sound like in a practice situation, or rather in a real situation. Or, for example, if we talk about the heart rate, we give them information. And then obviously they need some background information about what's happened, so we give them the information. And then for atmosphere, then I've laid a soundtrack of a restaurant over it, because this is an allergic reaction due to shellfish. But there you go. And then should they need any more information, then they can click on any one of the yellow buttons for information. And then the idea is that within their group, then they come to a diagnosis, and then they decide which interventions they want to take to help the patient. So that was it. That's my 3-minute explanation about how ThingLink works, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it inspires you to do great things with internet yourself. Okay, bye.